My name is Dr. Michael Snider. I practice in Greenwood, South Carolina. I began my journey with implant seminars with the Implant Continuum in 2015. I then completed the hands-on portion in the Dominican Republic in 2016, and also had my staff involved in the PRP Continuum in 2016. And I've recently completed a second hands-on implant and surgical portion in the Dominican in 2017. The Implant Continuum classroom experience with Dr. Garg and his team is phenomenal. His entire team makes it very easy to make reservations for travel. Depending on where the classrooms are located, you never have any problems communicating with them whatsoever. Dr. Garg himself is also always available to you via email or text. As you progress through the class, you'll feel comfortable with socket grafting and extractions, and then implant placement and even soft tissue management. The course is set up in a manner so that you can feel comfortable to have a predictable implant restoration placed on the patient from start to finish, from extraction to graft, to implant placement to final restoration. I think that Dr. Garg has set up a phenomenal protocol for us to follow so that we can all do this in a confident manner for all of our patients. In addition to the classroom component, there's a very intensive hands-on component in the Dominican Republic. As you travel to Dominican, you have an incredible facility that Dr. Garg has built, and you're able to place over 20 implants in 3 days with faculty that's there with you every step of the way. They give you the confidence to take on these cases so that you return home, you're confident treating your own patients. The implant seminars and implant continuum has been a huge boost in production for my practice. 3 years ago, before taking the course, I was purely a restorative dentist. I did no extractions or surgeries in my office at all. After taking the course, I had the confidence to do the extractions, the graft, and place the implants, which now allows me to provide a better level of care for my patients. They're able to have the extractions, the grafts, implant placement, and final restoration all done within our practice without having to be referred to any other practitioner. Just like anything in dentistry, integration with the entire team is key to the success for the practice. Dr. Garg has set up the Implant Continuum in a way that allows the team to become involved in not only the implant treatment planning, but also in the implant placement. There's a marketing component with the Implant Continuum that allows the front desk to learn how to speak to patients in regards to implant placement. There's also a phlebotomy and PRP class available for the assistants so that they can become more involved with the entire treatment process. So if you're thinking about taking an Implant Continuum education course, I couldn't recommend anything more than Dr. Garg's Implant Continuum. You're going to produce more dentistry because you're going to be doing the procedures in your practice. You're going to do those procedures confidently because you're going to learn from the best faculty around and get the hands-on component of the Dominican. And third, you're going to provide an overall better experience from your patient. They don't have to be referred out. Everything can be done within your own practice.